Hey y'all, welcome back to the shop. Today we're back on this Pro V engine. Picked up some parts, so let's get them thrown on. Alright y'all, what I got today at the store here was I got some pipe fittings, some other barb fittings, a couple pipe nipples and stuff. I gotta adapt this air breather, this crankcase breather on, get it up here, roughly in that area. Come out of these holes. If you remember, that's where we drilled and tapped it for the to ventilate the crankcase, because the RPMs and stuff that we run on these will actually blow the gaskets and stuff out. I also picked up a plug for the vacuum line, the old vacuum line pickup here on the other side. I'm just plugging that off. You may notice I took the intake off just so I can get in here and work, and I don't think we're going to be using that intake. We're probably going to try to fire it on that intake, but we're not going to probably not going to run it permanently. So and also I have decided for now I'm going to leave the valve covers the way they are, the rough finish. What I may end up doing is kind of just cleaning them up, masking the part on top here that's cleaned up. Well, after I thread it for a plug, mask that off and paint these to match the tractor. I think that would look good. So let me get these parts and stuff opened up, and I'll probably go ahead and throw them on and show you guys what I come up with. Alright guys, I'm going to start out. I got a street out here. I got me a little liquid pipe dope. This is made by Permatex. I like using the liquid or the paste, whatever you want to call it, better than I do the thread tape. I just think this stuff seals a little better. So get that threaded in there like that. Got my little pipe wrench here. Alright, there's that. Now I just gotta, this is a 3-inch long piece of just black iron pipe. I was going to use brass until I looked at the price. Just for this fitting alone was like 17 bucks for one. I needed 2 of them. These were like $7 a piece. So I opted to go with the black iron. Later on down the road, if I have to, I will clean them up and paint them. But for now, I think she's going to be alright. Alright, there's that. Get this little fitting out of here. Now, I did go with brass on this, just because, well, that's all I could get it in. So, I said, spread a little bit of that around there. I'm running low on this, so we're going to have to go to the store, and I don't know how critical it is you use pipe dope or whatever, but this kind of helps lock the threads in. So alright, and last but not least, we got our breather. I will get a couple hose clamps to put on there. Make sure it stays on there. And it looks like I need to take this another spin, so I'll probably have to take this pipe back out. But yeah, there we go. We got our breather on. Need to do one on this side and wipe that all down. I'll do all that off camera and I'll bring you all back. Alright y'all, you can see it, got those two on there. I did put one back here on the stock breather that usually goes up into the air cleaner. I just need to get some hose clamps, put it on here, that one back there. And then I did get the plug put in over here on this side for the old vacuum pickup for the fuel pump. I got to put the plugs in the bottom for the oil drain. Got them right here. I'll put them in. Put the air intake back on and do some wiring. And we might be able to turn this thing over and see if we can get her to pop off. I'm still on the fence about using this carburetor. Mark or I neither one of us could ever get it to run on either one of our old engines. We're hoping that this one has enough suction volume that it will, you know, run it. If not, I got the old carburetor off of Plan B with the adapter. I can bolt it on. I know it works. It's a gas carburetor, so we can throw it on here and get it to fire over that way. But yeah, we're pretty close to getting this thing to fire. I don't think I'm going to pull the valve covers off before I do test fire it, just because I don't want them to leak or anything. And sometimes when you take them back off, they leak a little bit. But yeah, I'm happy with the way these look. And yeah. The only other thing I have to get before we can fire it is a dipstick. This block didn't have a dipstick in it, or it was broke off. I can't remember what Mark said. But either way, I do have to get a dipstick for it. If any of you guys watching happen to know the part number offhand, this is the big tube with the big rubber plug at the top. Hit me up, comments or private message. Give me a part number. I can look it up, but I've been real busy here lately, so yeah, so getting close. I'm getting excited. So alright y'all, that's gonna do it for today. Probably just a short video. I've been real busy here in the shop with some other side stuff. Trying to get as much done on this as I can in my spare time. Yeah, I'm happy with the progress I got so far. Like I said, we're real close to giving her a fire up. I got to make a run stand. I got a piece of plate steel I need to drill some holes in to bolt this thing to keep it steady. And a starter. We gotta come up with a starter. Don't know if I'm going to use a starter cart or see if I can modify a stock starter. I don't know if it'll be strong. Stock starter should be strong enough to spin this over, but either way, we're going to come up with something. Let this thing fire off and hopefully run pretty damn good. So thank you all for watching. If you made it this far, please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment down there in the comment box. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We keep growing. Let's keep it going. And also, I want to give a shout out to my boy Nate, Go-Karts Going Fishing. You guys go over and check him out. He does go-karts and stuff like that, fabrication. He's got a pretty sick race cart he built. It's got a modified Predator. I think it's a Predator or Briggs, one of the two. Can't remember which it is. But it's fully modified. It's a full race motor. He built that thing. Pretty cool deal. So please go check him out. And check out all my other friends. There's a bunch of links down there, other channels and stuff. Go check them all out and give them all a thumbs up too. So anyways, appreciate you all watching. Catch you Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. Sunday nights. We'll catch you all there. So keep it wrenching.